Well, good morning there, Prince Sleeps a Lot. Did you sleep well, Big Bird?
Best I could, I suppose. My Blitz? Ooh, you sure have a lot of horses. Is there a story behind that?
There is, but it's way too long and way too dramatic.
Breakfast will be ready in a jiff.
Blitz, would you be able to grab some...
Grab some what?
Never mind.
Okay, so I don't know what you eat, so I just made a little of everything in hopes that something works for you. Got some eggs. Made them special. Oh, I'm sorry. That's like cannibalism for you, isn't it?
No, just rather off-putting. But it is protein, I suppose.
Uh-huh. So what do you normally eat?
Normally, I dine on a custom diet prepared by my waiting staff, full of essential nutrients and freshly prepared rarities such as roasted vole or fire koi. A fresh kale salad.
Oh, nice. Anything that I can get that's affordable?
Maybe some rats.
On it! I'll grab my stompers and head out to that alley this afternoon.
Well, that'd be nice. Rats were always Via's favorite snack. Oh no! Where's your phone?
Sorry, sweetie. No talking to that deadbeat. And Ralphus, look who's finally calling.
Oh, took him this long? That's hilarious.
He thinks he's going to talk to his daughter. Hilarious.
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 Pick up, pick up, pick up! Via, dear, please, pick up. Please pick up. No, 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 no.
Hey, whoa, look, I'm sure it's gonna be okay, all right? I'm sure she's just away from the phone right now, okay? And breathe. It'll be okay.
Is this how everyone acts when they don't have money?
No, this is how I act when I don't have money. Hey, Stolas! Merry Sinsmas! Ah!
What the f was that for?
It's Sinsmas. You know, the day every Hellborn celebrates an action their birth sin, or any sin, whichever ones they want, honestly.
I cannot say I'm familiar with this holiday.
Really? Wow, rich people don't have any fun, do they?
No, fun is free, but we can afford nice things.
You know what might help that privileged little attitude? Paperwork! Why don't you come on with me to the office and help Looney with the, you know...
Ugh, you have to spend your holiday at work?
I choose to spend my holiday at work. See, last year I set my apartment on fire, so this year we're doing it at the office. It's insured.
Ow, Millie! Ouch! You're good. Bite you, Millie.
You always make me watch old musicals when I want to watch Cleaver Hand 6 Ultimate Coin Fetch.
Well, you snore all the time.
I will wreck you.
Not if I do first.
Happy Sinsmas!
Happy Sinsmas!
listen up. Today we got Stolitz in the office, so I want each of your red on the best behavior possible.
Sir, you are literally the only one who needs to adhere to that.
And that's detention, Mox. Millie, punch him.
Oh.
Good. Happy sins, Miss Mox. Now, Looney, Stolitz wants to learn how to secretate, so show him how it's done.
It's literally this. Ring, ring. Hello, IMP. Yeah, we can kill that. Want to schedule an appointment? Thursday, cool? See you then. Click. It's easy as sin, Blitz. Can I go with you guys if he's on the phone today?
I mean, I guess.
Yes!
See, Stolitz? Finally, something to help you out, something to do, and I can pay you for it. You could use a little money coming in, right?
Money coming in? Oh, lords. I'm poor now.
Oh, answer it, answer it. You can do it, Stolitz. Come on, answer the phone.
Hello, IMP. Yes, we can kill your immediately. Just bring it here. Thank you. Good day, ma'am.
Close enough. Good job, buddy.
You said you could kill someone immediately?
Oh, yeah, yes, we sure can.
Good, because it's Christmas.
It's sins, Miss Lady. Get it right.
I can't stand the idea of my ex-husband enjoying this sacred holiday with my daughters when he left me for another man.
Oh, well, that sounds like something that can happen from time to time.
And he probably cheated on me.
Well, that's not really worth killing someone over, though, right? I mean, cheating isn't really that big of a deal anymore, is it?
Isn't that what this business does? He doesn't deserve to live that heinous lifestyle and poison my daughters with it.
Aha. Look, I don't think this is a job we want to take on.
Really?
Why not? Maybe he deserves it. Selfish men like him don't deserve to live.
No, that's not... All right, fine. We'll do your job, but you're paying us double.
He's been trying to call her all month and it's hilarious.
Your box is packed up on the bed. Your words are in my head, telling me it will be okay. You'll remember what you said. Or was it just another lie? This place that used to be your home, would you call me on the phone? Will I hear your voice in the middle of the night when I turn out the lights? Or are you just another ghost? Oh, how could you lie to my face? And did our time mean nothing to you? Were you bluffing all along? That you would be there to see yourself forgiven by me? If you thought that I'd take it, you were wrong. Oh, you were wrong. And when you're gone, I will be okay. I will though I'm not okay today. But my tears won't fall upon your shoulder. I'll just get older and you'll only know my name.
Don't you have any reading material anywhere? Are we supposed to just sit here and wait? How long do they take?
They take their time. It's a difficult business, I imagine.
You imagine. Well, they should hurry up if they expect people to just stick around without anything to do. What a shoddy business operation.
Oh, here's an idea. You could shut up.
Rude.
Yes. Hello?
Hey, I'm calling you about your extended warranty and your new Robo Pony 2000.
What a idiot I am! This was so stupid, I cannot believe I could be this stupid. I ruined everything! Move, you desk! And I did it for what? These stupid, foolish fantasies! I can't stand it any longer. I don't care what they do. I'm seeing Octavia.
I guess it's something to read.
Ah, it is cold. What is this?
Do humans have Sinsmas too?
I don't think so. This seems to be something else. You okay, babe?
Oh yeah. Must just be the cold.
Okay, let's just hurry up and...
Sir, this may be out of turn, but I feel like this one isn't worth the money.
What?
I don't think I want to be part of this one, sir.
You okay, Dad? I can handle this one. You know, if you're not up for it.
Really? No. We're going home.
What? Didn't he cheat or something? Come on, this is fun. We've done this kind of thing before.
Just not this one, Mills. Not today.
I can do this one. I can do this.
Billy!
We'll do it next time. It's just not worth
Don't
it.
start, Moxie. Just because you aren't demon enough to do this job doesn't mean... I'm sorry.
Sweetie, I know it's Sinsmas and it's in the spirit of wrath, but are you okay?
I'm fine. I don't know what's gotten into me today.
It's okay. I'm here for you.
Wow, I never want to go anywhere cold again. Stolas.
He's gone, and he left this terribly sinful erotic novel behind. Can you believe this trash? Didn't make me wet at all.
Wow, I feel lighter.
Dad?
Octavia? What are you doing here?
I came to give this back to my dad. Where the f is he?
I swear, he was just right here.
Where would he go?
I think I know.
Christ, Queen, how extra can you get?
Oh, this is just sad, Stonus.
Let me see my daughter. This instant.
I imagine this is rather hard for you, Stonus. Oh, poor thing. All alone now, without your lovely plants, or your lovely stars, or your lovely little daughter. Everything you are now. You are dead for that!
Do it.
I will enjoy this.
Hey, Elsa! Get your icy hands off my bottom!
The imp! The imp is challenging me.
Scatter! Luna, launch me!
You little insects really think you can do anything to me? A Marquis of Hell? You are delusional.
Try again. I've been called so much worse.
It'll be rather amusing to squash you all.
You are so hot right now.
I think I'm gonna give the firepower a try this time.
Millie, big weapon, stab!
All right, sweetie, cover me. The prince's knight needs his sword.
Disgusting! Blitz! Ooh, impressive, Moxie!
Catch!
Yeah, Moxie, high five! Oh!
You've just risked your life to save mine.
Well, so did you.
How dare you pathetic waste of lower class attack me! For this, I will see all your heads mounted! Stand down, girl! This doesn't concern you.
You will not hurt my dad.
You are in no position to make demands of me. Imagine what your mother will say.
Uh-huh, exactly. Imagine what her mother will say when she finds out you got your handed to you by a gaggle of imps and a hellhound. I think that's what folks call a bad look.
A very bad look.
You aren't worth my time anyway. But you will regret this.
Thea, my brave, powerful girl, I am so proud of you.
You lied to me.
What?
You lied to me! You said you would never leave me! You promised!
Thea, I didn't leave you. I would never. It wasn't my choice.
It was your choice. You chose him.
Thea, no, I didn't. I had to. You don't understand.
I do understand. I understand we were never enough for you. You never loved Mother, and you don't love me. You love him. And you needed these. Was this my fault that you needed these?
No, never, Thea. Sweetie, please. You have always been the only good thing in my life.
So does that mean you just stayed miserable because of me? Obligation? Is that why you didn't even hesitate when you got a chance to leave?
I love you, Thea, so much. Please, sweetie, let me explain.
I can't. You lied to me once and you'll do it again. Have a great life with him, Dad.
No, Thea, please. Please!
Whew, that was intense. I'm gonna see if my friends can still come tonight. I need some drinks after what happened today.
Yeah, sure. Whatever you want, Looney. Okay.
She hates me.
You want to try some of my home-baked Sinsmas cookies, Your Highness? Huh?
I think I'll pass, but thank you. And you don't me like that.
Hey, where's Mills?
Oh, hey, sweetie. We're about to start board games.
I'll be right there, baby. Call the fan for sins first.
Hey!
Hey, Sal. You alone?
Yes.
Okay. Good. I just need someone to talk to about something.
What's going on?
I don't know what to do.
Okay. So did you see Vicky's post the other day? Vicky?
I swear, if she posts one more humble brag about that ugly car, I'm gonna commit.
Sure, for real.
Oh, hey, sweetie. How'd the call go?
It was nice. You know I love you.
Love you, too.
Okay, time for the board games with drinks! Am I right? Vicky's such a
Without me,
didn't
okay?
invite her.
I need a moment.
Brings the whole party down.
You mind if I steal?
Oh, when have you ever asked?
Today was a lot, wasn't it? I know you can't see your kid. And I know you did so much just to save my life.
It's okay. Saving you was the right thing to do. And you have risked your life for mine in return. You don't need to feel any guilt for my situation. It was my choice. It was all my choice. I caused all of this.
She'll understand eventually. You just gotta give her time.
Blitz, she's gone. For 100 years, she's gone. And after all that time, she'll never forgive me. I'll be a stranger to her.
You know, my twin sister, she hates me too for something that I did. And I miss her every day. We were so close, you know, But you just gotta keep trying.
Yes. Of course.
No! Get in here! We're starting the game!
Yeah, I need you to show up, Russ.
Hey, I'll be back in just a sec, okay?
Sounds like, they want me back in there.
Go enjoy your Sinsmas, Blitz. I'm fine. You don't have to stay here with me. What are you doing?
Well, I can't dance with you without, come here, getting inventive.
I loved you then, I love you still, and now it won't be long until you're here at last. And then
I imagine we look ridiculous right now.
Yeah, like that's anything new. I mean, look at me, I'm like 4 feet tall, and you're like the size of one of those really very tall horses.
Never really seemed to be an issue. I guess you were just creative.
Only as creative as you were flexible.
know that you are on my mind. Merry Sinsmas, truer love is hard to find.